During the first month of high-intensity operations, the United States military faced a stark reality regarding the sustainability of its defense industrial base. Data indicates that munitions expenditure alone reached a staggering $3.1 billion within the first 100 hours of the campaign. This consumption pattern creates an extreme economic asymmetry, where the rate of precision weapon usage far outpaces the industrial capacity to replenish them. This audit confirms that the just-in-time logistical model has failed to meet the demands of modern attrition warfare. The epicenter of this crisis is the JASSM-ER or AGM-158B stealth cruise missile. Within a 30-day cycle, coalition forces expended an average of 850 to 1,020 units to penetrate integrated air defense networks. This figure is critical, as it represents nearly 50% of the global operational stockpile, leaving a severely depleted pool for other global commitments. With current production at only 396 units per year, it would take more than 2.5 years to replace the munitions expended in just this single month. In the maritime sector, Tomahawk or TLAM usage reached a nadir with a monthly burn rate of 480 to 550 units. This expenditure effectively emptied the ready-to-fire magazines of surface combatants and submarines within days, forcing hulls to rotate out of the theater for weeks just to rearm at distant ports. Furthermore, interceptors such as the SM-6 and SM-3 faced extreme pressure, with combined monthly consumption exceeding 200 units to counter saturation attacks from drones and ballistic missiles. While strike effectiveness against infrastructure remained high, neutralizing approximately 80% of long-range air defense capacity within 10 days, platform attrition remains a strategic burden. The audit records significant losses in autonomous assets, with over 100 specialized drones lost to electronic warfare and air defenses. At sea, while no carriers were sunk, the operational degradation of assets like the USS Gerald R. Ford, which required withdrawal for repairs, highlights the fragility of aging American maintenance infrastructure. Statistically, every month this conflict persists, the United States loses strategic depth. The cost-exchange ratio is overwhelmingly unfavorable. For instance, $4 million Patriot interceptors are frequently used to down drones costing as little as $20,000. This phenomenon, deterrence through cost imposition, allows an adversary to win an economic war without technologically outmatching the US. Consequently, Pacific reserves are now in a logistically degraded state, creating a massive window of vulnerability. The conclusion of this one-month audit is a definitive warning. Modern military power is no longer measured solely by technological sophistication, but by inventory depth and supply chain resilience. The United States is currently operating at the ragged edge of its sustainment capacity. Without a radical transition from just-in-time to just-in-case procurement, tactical victories in the field will be rendered moot by strategic bankruptcy. Quantity truly has a quality of its own when quality cannot be replaced in an operationally relevant timeframe.